Hi, my name is David from SafetyCulture, and our app iAuditor is used around the world to help businesses manage their risk. And today I want to take you through just one example. A job safety analysis form, or a JSA, is used to analyze and mitigate the risk, especially of physical work. Now, JSAs are great, but they're usually done on paper, which is easy to lose or to throw away. In contrast, I've got my iPad here, and you see I'm going to start a digital JSA with just a couple taps. After entering some basic details, let's pretend we're a food manufacturing company producing a new product. And with new products come new risk. This is a new established job. The JSA from here asks us to break down our work into separate steps. So let's skip right to the end where we are sealing the product, and we're seeing the workers seal the product by pulling a lever. Here's where we have the jump on paper-bound JSAs. Where you'd normally need to rely on diagrams, drawings, or descriptions, here I can actually take a photo of the work being performed. And you're seeing straight away that the lever is not so easy to pull. And we're seeing this lever being pulled dozens of times a day, every single day, which definitely proposes a hazard, specifically an ergonomic hazard. How risky is this hazard though? And this is where the risk matrix, which is in many JSAs, comes in handy. Well, dozens of times a day, every single day, at least some people are going to get hurt, and not just a little bit hurt, they'll need treatment. Maybe sometimes some people will even have long-term impacts. That is a high risk, and high risks need to be controlled. I propose an engineering control, which is to buy a sealing machine, and the risk of turning on a machine compared to pulling a lever is a 1-1, a low risk, and all I need to do is sign off my good work and send that straight off to my manager. Thanks.